Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GustonShow.com. I want to talk to you about repairing your credit before we get the process started or during the process, and how it interferes with the speed of the loan. So, when you're buying a house and we run your credit and I pre-approve you, but I give you a stipulation that we have to remove these disputes because the underwriter is going to make you, and I need to know what your true approved eligible is before I can tell you if you're really approved or not. We have to remove these disputes at the bureau level. And what that takes is you to fill out this form saying you're no longer disputing. I take that form and I send it to the bureaus, and within 3 to 5 business days they remove those disputes. And now when I run desktop underwriting, I can really get an accurate picture if you're approved or not. And then that could delay us a week and a half. If that whole process takes a long time for me to get the paper to you, you sign it, me to get it over to the credit bureaus, them to clear it, and then me to rerun it. That's about a week and a half. So that's how that can get in the way. Now, other things like if, let's say, you're getting a letter saying that your student loan is being forgiven because you're a veteran and you're 100% disabled and they're letting these student loans go, we can do that during the process, but we have to have that letter, and I have to do the same thing. We don't have to do the same thing, but we have to do a verification with the student loan company that you're no longer responsible for those student loan debts. So that's something we can fix during the process. Now, if I run your credit report and it's 570 and you don't have 10% down FHA, but we can get your score up to 580 by you paying your debts down, we could do the same thing as the removing disputes. We could rescore your credit. Or if you know you've already paid it, we can rescore your credit. So it can delay the process by a week and a half every time we have to do a rapid rescore. If it's just a supplement that we need, just like updating a student loan debt that's going to be forgiven, that's not updated on the report yet, that's just a 3-way phone call. You can do it during the process and it won't delay. So keep that in mind. Rapid rescoring, credit repair does delay the whole start of the process up from the beginning until we can actually write a real approval. So keep that in mind. If we're doing a rescore, we need a longer contract date, because a lot of times I know that you're going to be fine when we remove that dispute, but I can't guarantee it, and I'll tell you to go do a contract, but we can't start the loan application. So I'll ask for an extra 10 days on that contract to get that thing in. So please understand, rescoring is something we do here. Removing disputes is something we do here. Supplements is something that everybody does. So give me a call if you want to do some rescoring of your credit, and we specialize in that. My phone number is 630-915-7550. Please subscribe, and thank you very much.